Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English Raju. In this video, we are going to discuss definite article. It is a part 2. In my previous video, I have explained what are articles, how many types they have divided, and what is the usage of indefinite article. And in this video, we are going to discuss in what condition or what are the uses of definite article. In what condition do we need to use definite article? So, before going to start the topic, I request you everyone to watch my video. If you like it, please share it to your friends, whoever needed, and please do subscribe my channel. So now, without wasting our time, I am going to enter the topic. Articles, nothing but demonstrative adjectives divided into two categories according to their meaning. First one is indefinite article a and an. Second one is definite article the. Then what are the usages? First, whenever you wanted to indicate or whenever you want to speak a common noun for the second time, when you want to speak something or common noun for the second time, that second time before compulsory we need to use the article. Here is an example. We went to a village, because village means it is a common noun. That means one village. And if I wanted to repeat the village once again in the next sentence, the village is beautiful. The village is beautiful. Same here. So, when the common noun is repeated for the second time, when a common noun repeated for the second time, we need to use the article. It is a first condition. I went to a restaurant. The restaurant is closed today. I went to a restaurant. The restaurant is closed today. Because the restaurant, why? Because second time repeated. Second time repeated. And next point, when something or someone is specified. When something or someone is specified, in that condition we need to use the article. Here some examples are given. I like the gold which you wore. Here generally gold is a material noun. We should not use. In what condition we should not use articles, that I will explain you in another video, that will be the part 3. But just remember right now, as it is a material noun we should not use, but I used here the gold. Why? Because which you wore, I have specified that gold. I like the gold which you wore. Specified condition here, that's the reason the is used. The pizza is spoiled which was bought last night. Generally pizza. I have a pizza, I have eaten pizza. In such a way we should use. But why I used here the? Because it is specified again. The pizza which was bought last night is spoiled. Okay. So it is also specified. I ate the apple which meant for the guest. For the guest, I kept one apple, you kept one apple. I ate that apple only. So, I ate the apple. But generally we use, I ate an apple. I ate an apple, because apple is a singular common noun. But when the common noun is specified, or whatever it is, not only common noun, collective noun, proper noun, or material noun, abstract noun, when something is specified, we need to use the article. Okay. And next, in our indefinite article, I have given you a phrase, adjective plus common noun, it is always followed by indefinite article. Same way, adjective plus proper noun, this phrase is always followed by definite article. Great man, a great man. Great Shakespeare, the great Shakespeare. Kind Abdul Kalam, the kind Abdul Kalam. Okay, so such a way, adjective plus proper noun means exact name. In that condition we need to use the article. And next, before the words of middle, center, top, next, end. 5 words there. Middle, center, top, next, end. These 5 words are specifying a particular position. That's the reason while watching the movies, at the end of the movie you will find the end, because it is exact. So before these words compulsory we need to use the article. Next, before the ordinals, what are ordinals? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh till last. Before all these words we need to use the article, the first, the second, the last, as like that. Next, superlative degrees, adjective plus est form. Most beautiful, best teacher, smallest person. So before these words the should be used. Before these words the should be used, as well as directions before also. The east, the west, the south, the northeast, the southwest, all the directions before compulsory we need to use the article, directions before. And inventions purpose, when something is invented, the television is invented by, the radio is invented by, the crescograph is invented by. In such a way, invention before also the only. Invention before also the article only we need to use. And there is one more point left, that is before the names. This word is very important. Names. So first point if I take, I'll explain you the first point. Depends on the same, you have these many points. First, oceans. Is the ocean name or name of the ocean? It's a name, group name. That means all these words are common nouns. These are all the common nouns, and common noun has its own proper noun, exact name. So ocean is a common noun. Instead of that, if you have the Pacific Ocean, it is a proper noun. So here before the names, in the sense not ocean, before the names in the sense Pacific, proper noun, before the proper noun of. Try to note this point, very easy as well as important also. Before the proper noun of oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, as like that seas, the Red Sea, the Bay of Bengal, river, the Ganga, the Varna, the Kaveri. Okay. Next, gulfs, the Persian Gulfs, mountain ranges. I have kept the star mark. Why? Mountain range in the sense total group of mountains like the Himalayas, the Aravali, the Vindhya, the Satpura, but not single mountain. Don't say the Everest, the Cameron. Don't say that, because it is a single mountain. We need to have the whole. We need to have the whole. So the Himalayas we should consider, but we should not consider the Everest. Am I clear? So that's the reason I have kept the star mark over there. So mountain ranges before. Next, group of islands. Islands are there. Even Sri Lanka also an island, but it is a single. But when it comes to the Andaman, Nicobar, they are the group of islands. So the Andaman, the Nicobar you can use, but the Sri Lanka you should not use. Okay. Next, plateaus, the Deccan plateaus, the Tibetan plateaus, plains, the Gangetic plains, the eastern plains, deserts, the Sahara, the Thar desert, epics, holy and famous books, the Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita. Next, the Bible, the Quran, the Merchant of Venice, the 5 steps to get success, the art of living, the art of education. Many books are there. Many books are there. Okay. Next, buildings. Here 2 words there. Government buildings name before as well as building names before. How? The MRO office, the municipal office, the railway station. Next, building means the Taj Hotel, the Paradise Hotel. Okay. Building means this is the Hyatt Hotel. Okay. So buildings before as well as government buildings before also we need to use the article. Next, traveling vehicles. Here also star mark is kept, because traveling vehicles means bus, car, jeep, ship, plane, train. These are all the traveling vehicles, but we need to have the proper noun to that name. Then how? train. I have traveled in a train. A train. But I traveled by the Rajdhani Express, the Shatabdi Express, the Vivek Express, such a way. Same way, the Titanic ship, the flight number E1260, the such a way, the Garuda bus, the Indra bus, such a way. When you want to specify the name of traveling vehicle, before that names we need to use the article. A bus, a car, okay, but the Rajdhani Express. Next, musical instruments, the flute, the piano, the guitar, the sitara, the tabla, such a way. When you want to indicate any one of the musical instruments, that instrument before also the article. Next, designation, the principal, the CM, the PM, the governor, got it, the president. These are all the designations. Designation before compulsory the article. And next, national newspapers, not local papers. National newspapers before, as well as international also, okay. National newspapers before compulsory the article. What are those? Generally, national newspapers means we have English papers, especially the Times of India, the Deccan Chronicle, the Hindu, okay. Next, national festivals, the Independence Day, the Republic Day, the Children's Day, the Teachers' Day. Such a way, national festivals before compulsory the article should be used. Next, museum before, name of museum, okay. Next, revolution, the French Revolution. Do you know this revolution? Any one of the revolution names before compulsory the article only. Next, movements, the Chipko movement, the Green Belt movement. So movements before. Next, directions completed, boards, whiteboard, blackboard, not. The BCCI board, the SSC board, the intermediate board, group of panel members in that. Before that names also. Inventions mentioned already. Next, historical events or constructions. The First World War, the Second World War, the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, the Golconda, okay, such a way. Next, park name before, the Lumini Park, okay, any park name before. Library name before, the Adarsha Library, the Mahatma Gandhi Library, okay. Next, theatre, the Devi Theatre, the Raman Theatre. Next, planets. What are the planets? All these are the earth, the sky, the moon, the sun, all these planets before. Next, plural country names before also we need to use the article. What is plural country names? The West Indies. Generally, country names before we should not use article, but when it has a particular plural noun or plural name, the West Indies, the Philippines, okay, in such a way, when you have a plural name, we need to use the article. So I hope this point is very clear to you. So once again, before the names of all these we need to use the article, okay. And at the end of video I am giving 1 or 2 seconds time only with the audio. The main intention is you can have a screenshot and you can note down these points. That's my intention. I hope you utilize it and you note the points whatever you want it in this video. Not only this, every video. I hope the article is very clear to all of you, and in my next video I am going to explain you what are the omissions of article. Till then, thank you all.